Look at the question number 62. Prove that 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to secant A plus tan A whole square. So here, left hand side, 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. So this becomes 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A whole square divided by A square minus B square form. So 1 square minus sine square A. So next step. So we know the trigonometric identity. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So or 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A. So here 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 minus sine square is cos square A. So this becomes 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole square. So split ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A whole square. So reciprocal of cos is secant A plus sin A by cos A na tan A ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ so this becomes secant A plus tan A whole square. So this is equal to RHS.